Canada is renowned for its high quality of life, welcoming nature, and diverse opportunities. As a result, many individuals around the world seek to immigrate to Canada each year. This essay will provide a detailed, step-by-step guide to the Canadian immigration process in 2024, including associated costs and the process for acquiring Canadian citizenship. 1. Understanding immigration pathways. Canada offers several immigration pathways depending on your circumstances, including 1. Express Entry System, 2. Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, 3. Family Sponsorship, 4. Study Permits, 5. Work Permits, 6. Startup Visa, 7. Business Investor Visa. Minimum investment of $200,000. 2. Express Entry System. The Express Entry System is a popular pathway for skilled workers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Determine eligibility. To be eligible for Express Entry, you must qualify under one of the three programs. 1. Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP. 2. Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP. 3. Canadian Experience Class, CEC. Eligibility criteria include work experience, language proficiency, and educational qualifications. Step 2. Create an Express Entry profile. 1. Cost. There is no fee to create an Express Entry profile. 2. Process. Submit your profile online through the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, website. 2. You'll need to provide details about your skills, work experience, language ability, and education. Step 3. Receive a comprehensive ranking system, CRS, score. 1. Process. The CRS system ranks candidates based on factors like age, education, language proficiency, and work experience. 2. Cost. No direct cost, but you might need to pay for language tests, e.g., IELTS, CELPIP, and Educational Credential Assessments, ECA. Step 4. Invitation to apply, ETER. 1. Process. Candidates with high CRS scores receive an ETER during periodic draws from the Express Entry pool. 2. Cost. Once you receive an ETER, you must submit a complete application and pay the application fee. Step 5. Submit application for permanent residency. 1. Cost. The application fee is $1,365 Canadian dollars for the principal applicant. 1. Additional fees apply for accompanying family members. 2. Process. Provide all required documents including proof of funds, medical exams, and police clearances. Step 6. Wait for decision. 1. Process. Processing times can vary, but it generally takes around 6 months from the date of submission. 2. Cost. No additional cost unless you need to renew or expedite documents. Step 7. Obtain permanent residency. 1. Process. If approved, you'll receive a confirmation of permanent residence, COPR, and can then move to Canada. 2. Cost. Landing fees are included in the initial application fee. 3. Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. The PNP allows provinces and territories to nominate individuals for permanent residence based on local labor market needs. Step 1. Choose a province. 1. Process. Research different provinces to determine which has a PNP that aligns with your skills and experience. Step 2. Apply for nomination. 1. Cost. Varies by province but generally ranges from $250 Canadian dollars to $1,500 Canadian dollars. 2. Process. Submit a PNP application to the chosen province or territory. Step 3. Receive provincial nomination. 1. Process. If nominated, you'll receive a nomination certificate that boosts your CRS score if applying through Express Entry or allows you to apply directly for permanent residency. Step 4. Apply for permanent residency. 1. Cost. Same as Express Entry, $1,365 Canadian dollars plus any additional fees for family members. 2. Process. Submit a permanent residency application to IRCC. 4. Family sponsorship. Canadian citizens and permanent residents can sponsor family members for immigration. Step 1. Determine eligibility. 1. Cost. No cost to determine eligibility. 2. Process. Check if you meet the criteria to be a sponsor. Step 2. Submit sponsorship application. 1. Cost. $1 $050 for the sponsor and $500 for the principal applicant. 2. Process. Submit both the sponsorship and permanent residency applications. Step 3. Wait for processing. 1. Process. Processing times vary by relationship type but typically range from 12 to 24 months. 5. Study permits. If you wish to study in Canada, you need a study permit. Step 1. Apply to a designated learning institution, DLI. 1. Cost. Application fees for DLIs vary. 2. Process. Obtain a letter of acceptance from a DLI. Step 2. Apply for a study permit. 1. Cost. $150. 2. Process. Submit an online application to IRCC with proof of acceptance, financial support, and other documents. Step 3. Wait for permit approval. 1. Process. Processing times vary by country and individual circumstances. 6. Work permits. Work permits are required to work in Canada temporarily. Step 1. Obtain a job offer. 1. Process. Secure a job offer from a Canadian employer. Step 2. Apply for a work permit. 1. Cost. $155. 2. Process. Apply online or at a visa office with your job offer and other necessary documents. Step 3. Wait for decision. 1. Process. Processing times vary. 7. Startup visa for entrepreneurs who wish to start a business in Canada. Step 1. Secure a letter of support. 1. Process. Obtain support from a designated organization. Step 2. Apply for the startup visa. 1. Cost. $1,540. 2. Process. Submit the application with required documents. 8. Canadian citizenship. Becoming a Canadian citizen involves several steps. Step 1. Meet residency requirements. 1. Process. You must be a permanent resident and have lived in Canada for at least 1,095 days in the last 5 years. Step 2. Demonstrate language proficiency. 1. Cost. There are fees for language tests, typically $200 to $300. 2. Process. Prove your ability in English or French. Step 3. Pass a citizenship test. 1. Process. You'll be tested on Canadian history, values, and institutions. Step 4. Submit citizenship application. 1. Cost. $630 for adults, $100 for minors. 2. Process. Submit your application online or by mail with required documents. Step 5. Wait for decision. 1. Process. Processing times can take up to 12 months. Step 6. Attend citizenship ceremony. 1. Process. If approved, attend a ceremony to take the oath of citizenship. Conclusion. Navigating the Canadian immigration system involves understanding various pathways, meeting eligibility requirements, and adhering to procedural steps. The costs associated with each pathway can vary, and the process can be lengthy. However, Canada's diverse immigration options and its welcoming nature make it an attractive destination for many. Understanding each step in detail helps prospective immigrants plan effectively and increases their chances of a successful application. Thank you for watching our